Banerjee, and hello everybody. Welcome to this session. My name is Shruti Banerjee, and I am a product line manager in the Prisma Access team. And today I will give you an overview of the lot of effort that has gone into unifying a multitude of our visibility tools for Prisma SASE. And we are in process of actually launching it. It is being deployed as we speak today to starting with a subset of our SEs, and we have sent out word advance notice to our customers that we are doing a phased rollout. So the first group of customers will get upgraded to the new visibility starting Friday. So we are really excited about it. It's been a lot of effort, and it gives me great pleasure to discuss with you all the changes we are bringing in to our visibility toolkit for customers that's really going to enhance the visibility that they experience from Prisma SASE. So what I'm going to be presenting to you is a part of a much greater effort in unifying and bringing together visibility for our next-gen firewalls, premium AIOPS, as well as which has cloud management as well. So that's what I'm showing you here on the left-hand side. It brings together the capabilities for our next-gen firewalls with Prisma SASE. And together, what we have is a very rich AI-powered network security management platform, which will have a unified policy and visibility, a common incidents and alerts framework, and a really rich use case-centric enhanced dashboard. So this is towards ensuring that our customers have the best experience possible for their Palo Alto Networks security products, and a single place to really define their policies and have a uniformity in how they are ensuring that users who connect through various mechanisms have the same experience in terms of policy and the access that they get to the applications they need. So the next-gen firewall cloud management with the AIOps Premium has already been announced, and it has been available for just a little while now. But now we are bringing together the Prisma SASE component as well. And my focus today is going to be on the visibility, or rather the base visibility that all customers get from this unified visibility for their Palo Alto Networks Prisma SASE resources. What I call as base visibility is what was available all throughout and known as Prisma Access Insights. As all of you might remember, Prisma Access Insights gives you the infrastructure usage and health for their Prisma Access deployments. And the same base visibility is what is going to be available to all our customers for Prisma SASE through this unified monitoring and visibility platform. So that is my focus for the next 45 minutes or so. Keep your questions coming. We'll do our best to address it as they come along. And those that we can't get to right now, we will make sure we address them and get back to you. So what I am showing you on this slide should be the very familiar Prisma SASE left nav. So this is an organization around the different visibility products that we provide for Prisma SASE. And Prisma SASE, as you know, is the coming together of security and networking at the edge. So in terms of security, this is all the Prisma access components. And below that, you have a rich set of visibility components from the ION devices for Prisma SD-WAN. Insights, as you very well know, is the component that provides you the visibility for infrastructure usage and health. Autonomous DEMS brings you the digital experience monitoring and management, brings you visibility of the application experience. Manage, if you have cloud management, that this enables you to manage your Prisma Access deployment. Alerts, of course, brings you all the alerts and events that you need to pay attention to. Activity brings you information about threats. So here, as you see, is a left nav that encompasses a lot of the visibility capabilities around Prisma SASE. Similarly, you have a whole bunch of visibility capabilities around Prisma SD-WAN. So this, as you will agree, is a very product-centric view. And this is what our customers have been using so far. But as you realize that there is a limitation in this in terms of its extensibility. As the number of products for visibility keep increasing, the left nav continues to increase, and the burden is on our customers to really understand where they need to go to for which type of insights that they care about. They would come to PAI or Prisma Access Insights for infrastructure usage and visibility, autonomous DEM for more of a application-centric experience, and so forth. We are moving from this very product-centric view by combining multiple of these visibility tools to a more generic, extensible framework, which is represented here in the left nav. This left nav is comprised of generic dashboards, which let our customers view their assets from Prisma SASE, as well as all the other CDSS subscriptions that they have. We also have the alerts scheme moving to an incidents and alerts framework. Monitor is going to be the focus of today's talk, and this monitor is where they are going to be able to see the health and utilization of all the resources that they care about. And if when you double click on monitor, what you see is this the next second level visibility of the left nav menu. And this comprises of applications, users, branch sites, etc., which are the basic constructs that our customers ultimately care about. So this is the migration from a product-centric view to a more use case-centric view. And the reason I'm indicating this as new is because for Prisma SASE, this is in process of being deployed. We have talked to several customers. We have reached out to customers through our SEs who have engaged with their customers to indicate the changes that are coming. This will not, of course, as you realize, this will not entail any change in their infrastructure. This is over the top where we are reorganizing the visibility that our customers get for a more intuitive and meaningful and hopefully far more insightful experience. So let me see, there seems to be a question. Yes, and it asks, we have on-premises Panorama. Will it tie this experience together? So we will continue. So as you know today, in Panorama, Panorama is the on-prem management platform for Prisma Access. And Prisma Access is supported by both a cloud management and Panorama. And Prisma Access Insights, as well as Autonomous DEM, have supported Panorama through a cloud connector, and we'll continue to support that. So whether you are cloud managed or Panorama managed, you will continue to see this, you'll continue to benefit from this unified monitoring experience, just the way you've been using Insights and Autonomous DEM so far. Seems to be another question. no, I guess this is what I just answered right now. So we are done with that. And if I see any more questions, I will keep looking at them and answer them to as best as I can. So moving forward, let me just talk a little bit more about what this visibility really means in terms of the licensed products that our customers have from us. So as I indicated, Insights is where we are providing you the visibility today of the health connectivity and usage for Prisma Access deployments. Likewise, in this unified monitoring and visibility experience, all our customers will continue to have this visibility. And this is what I am referring to alternatively at times as the base visibility. And all our customers will continue to have that. Now, if they purchase any licensed subscriptions from us, such as if they have enhanced visibility with ADEM, what this gives them is augmentation to their base visibility with this visibility for segment-wise insights from user to application, which helps them detect and isolate the segments that have user experience impacts. So everything in base visibility is going to be available to these customers who have the ADEM license. Additionally, what they will see is that some of the users who are indicated in the base visibility, these users, if they are designated as the ADEM monitored users, will start seeing additional application experience scoring indicated in this base visibility. They will start seeing additional widgets and charts as well as column elements in the user table, which indicates what their user experience score is with ADEM, and they will continue to see an extra experience tab with the basic tabs that we provide with the base visibility. Similarly, if they have purchased the AI-powered ADEM, and you might have noticed that we made an announcement about our new AI-powered visibility capabilities for Prisma SASE back in early April. And the general availability of this product is also going to be with the unified visibility and analytics that customers will start receiving very shortly. What AI-powered ADEM provides is a faster remediation for IT operations by automating the manual correlation tasks that IT admins typically do when they see a ticket opened for when a single user or say a group of users indicate that they have some access issues or some ability to access certain applications is hampered. So IT admins today, IT admins have a whole suite of tools that they deploy, not all from the same vendor. So they have a vast number of tools that they use to discern what is going on with this specific ticket. They try to correlate this manually across these diverse set of tools. We are going to be deploying our AI models that we have been developing for the last 18 months to 2 years. And we are going to automate this entire process of going through a multi-domain analysis of the user's endpoint device, the Prisma access infrastructure, the security policies, their DNS server issues, their application experience issues. And then what this tool automatically does is renders a verdict to indicate whether or not truly this problem is still persisting. And with 95% certainty, confidence, it indicates what the problem is and how it can be remediated. and also shows all the different correlated signals that helps the tool arrive at its conclusion. So it's going to be extremely helpful to IT admins to automate their process. We also have, this tool is also going to give them the ability to predict or to forecast capacity utilization at branch sites with at least 2 weeks worth of data available for their bandwidth utilization. And finally, it's going to run through a bunch of anomaly detections based on baselining a user's actual utilization of Prisma Access. So it'll look at what is the usual user count for their remote users. It'll look at what is the typical bandwidth utilization, and with all of that indicate anomalous behavior, and combining it with a bunch of different signals that are available from the platform, it will be able to render an actual root cause for the issue and offer playbook-driven remediation. So extremely helpful capabilities that are going to be available with the AI-powered ADEM. And what our customers will see when they purchase this is that everything that they have on base visibility will start getting enhanced with, for instance, baselining in the user's page. It'll look at baselining of their bandwidth utilization in the site's detail page, and so forth. So all the features that are made available through these licensed products will show enhancements over the base visibility that is available to customers. So this is the way in which the unification of the visibility is occurring by presenting contextual data, which is enriched based on the licensed products that our customers consume from us. Just to shine a little bit more details on what at each of these levels customers will get from us. So here we have the Prisma Access insights in this unified visibility world, which will continue to show the health, connectivity, and usage of the Prisma Access deployments. And what they specifically will be seen is the developments in all these different buckets indicated as new capabilities that, all our customers will see. What they are going to experience is a global summary dashboard, which is a global map view for users and sites connectivity. So today we have within Insights a map view at different points of the product. We are going to be consolidating that map view and showing user clusters, site visibility. We are going to be able to layer the Prisma Access locations on top of that, as well as their data centers, and give them a connectivity view for their connection to applications through Prisma Access. Additionally, they are going to get an application dashboard, which we didn't have in Prisma Access Insights. We had some sort of a division between ADEM, where we showed the applications the users were accessing, but we never showed that to customers at the base level. And we are augmenting that, given that Prisma Access is in the business of connecting users securely to their applications. So we will show the applications that are discovered by Prisma Access. Additionally, we will show the different threats that these application usage opens up to our customers and how we protect them from these threats. We will also show in the users page the threats that a user activity poses to them, and how Prisma and which threats that Prisma Access is protecting them from. Branch site data centers in terms of the service connections is already present today. Additionally, we announced the ZTNA connector for onboarding private apps to the Prisma Access infrastructure sometime back in mid-April. We're augmenting that with the availability of SD-WAN data centers, if that is something that our customers have. Prisma Access locations is available today, and we had also announced the availability of network services. And by network services, what we are indicating are those services that customers need and use for their Prisma Access connectivity. But even though we don't run those services, we see the effect of these services, and customers have been asking us for this indicating the effect of these services for quite a while. So in that regard, we will show the auth successes and failures at different Global Protect gateways. We will show the DNS requests sent and responses received at various DNS proxies that customers have in that they're running in their private data centers or in their HQs. So we will show the effect, all of these type of metrics. And we had shown auth at the result of auth successes and failures in Prisma Access Insights, and we are augmenting that with the DNS information. Subscription usage obviously is something that our customers care about. How are their licenses getting utilized? But again, we had different places where we would show this. We are bringing that all together. Additionally, we are going to show visibility on the service connection utilization. Today, we don't show that. So by service connections, we license them on the basis of the packages that customers can consume from us. So if our customers have the enterprise or the CTNA bundle, for their local edition of Prisma Access, they get 2 service connections. For their global, they get 5, but they are able to purchase more if they have greater needs for their users to connect to their data centers, or if they need to connect mobile users to remote networks. The service connections gives them a means to do so. So we will indicate that as well in their base usage of PA resources. Incident and alerts is the scheme that we are moving to from the existing alerts, which will continue to be supported for 6 months after the release of this product. Additionally, what we are bringing is at the Space Visibility ServiceNow integration. So a native capability for ServiceNow integration, which is today supported by Prisma Cloud and Prisma SD-WAN. We are bringing that to Prisma SASE as well. So just like they do in Prisma Cloud and Prisma SD-WAN, they will we will have our customers populate the fields that we show for our alerts with the fields that they have in their ServiceNow platform. And once they indicate those mappings, they will start receiving their incidents in the ServiceNow, in their ServiceNow platform. So this is something that customers have told us for a long time, that this is the most common platform that our customers are using. And we are now bringing in that native integration capability in Prisma SASE as well. So these are all the enhancements that Insights will bring in to all our customers at launch for this new unified monitoring capability. Let me pause here and see if there are any more questions in chat.
Yeah, thank you very much. There is a question. Can you see it, or should I read it for you?
Is this the one that okay, yes, these features will need, okay, so will these features need to be purchased in addition to our existing subscriptions? I'm not quite sure, Shahid, which features you're talking about, but everything that I spoke to in this slide on base visibility, that is going to be available to all customers who have a Prisma SASE or Prisma Access license. So ADEM AI, yes, that is a new license subscription that we have announced, and the customers will need for those, everything that I talked in the AI with regards to AIOPS is going to be available with this AI-powered ADEM, which is part of this new license package. Okay, are there any further questions? I think I answered both of these. So we are probably done with these. So no more open questions here. Let me keep moving. So for ADEM observability, this is the current ADEM SKU that our customers have. So with this license, they will get everything that I just spoke about in base visibility. And in addition, they get everything that is shown here on this yellow bucket here with new features as well that we are bringing in. And one of those new features is this global summary dashboard, which will have, in addition to what I described in base visibility for users and sites, this will now start having an app SLA management dashboard as well, which will show you the application experience through Prisma Access when our customers try to, from the remote locations and sites, access the applications. What through Prisma Access. This will show you the application experience based on the automated tests that are run on some of these users designated as monitored users. And these tests run from their endpoint, as well as we run tests from all the gateways and SPNs for sites. And this is this consolidated app SLA dashboard that we will provide additionally in this global summary dashboard. We, of course, will show them their ADEM license consumption. We are introducing several incidents for ADEM, and those will start being available in the new incidents and alerts framework for the experience. And all the other features are what have been made available through ADEM license, and those will continue to be supported, such as self-serve, the Zoom UCAS integration. So everything that our customers have been seeing through ADEM, now called as ADEM Observability license, will continue to be available, and it will be layered on top of everything that I just spoke earlier on base visibility. Now, with this new ADEM-AIOPS license, what our customers will see is everything in base visibility, as well as all the ADEM observability features. Additionally, will be everything indicated here that is net new and that is going to be released at GA for this product. What this gives them is now a global summary dashboard, which has, of course, everything for users, sites, and the app SLA dashboard I talked to earlier. But additionally, the AI-powered capability will give them an impact analysis on this dashboard. So for instance, if a service connection has degraded functioning, what this will result in is over time, users who are connected to Prisma Access, these users will start experiencing issues in trying to access their private applications hosted in their data centers through the service connection link. Also, given that we are doing a lot of analysis with the data that we have available, and we have a notion of the base or the baseline usage of our customers, we know when the users start coming on board. And based on that knowledge, we will also be able to start indicating that which of these users will have issues in connecting to Prisma Access itself, given that the service connection to the data center, which is likely hosting their DNS and auth servers, they won't be able to reach those servers. So not only is there an impact to the application experience for customers who are connected to Prisma Access, additionally, the impact footprint extends to all those users who will be connecting to Prisma Access in time. So that impact analysis is indicated. Additionally, in the users dashboard, branch sites dashboard, the data centers, service connections dashboard, and in the network services dashboard, we will start indicating a baseline usage. And baseline usage is think about it as what is expected or normal usage for these this customer only. This is not normalizing behavior anonymously across tenants. This is specific to a single customer's usage profile based on having data in the backend for them, which gives us a means to understand their usage patterns. So all of this is extremely helpful to our customers because the baselining gives us an ability to now indicate what is anomalous behavior, and combining that with other signals, we can then also indicate what is truly an incident that customers need to pay attention to. Access Analyzer is what I indicated earlier. This is the conversational AI powered interface to this multi-domain analysis that IT admins will see automated for them, and they will be able to diagnose the single IT type cases or a few users who indicate who raise a certain ticket for certain access. Very powerful capability, and we have done beta tests with several customers who see great value in this. And finally, for the systemic issues that are not covered by a single tag ticket, where there truly is degradation in a large-scale access capability for customers, those are what will be bubbled up as incidents. And through correlation of various metrics on the platform, we are able to indicate what is the root cause of this larger outage or incident that customers are seeing. We'll also be able to classify these incidents as a parent-child type of relationship, whereby we are going to tell our customers that focusing on the root cause or the parent incident is fundamentally what will address all their issues. So we'll be able to dampen the noise or fatigue that our customers experience through alerts when they get multitude of alerts. We'll be able to hide all of that, indicate the primary incident to focus on, and we have these correlation data to support our assertion. We provide also the playbook-based remediation for our customers to address it. So lots of very meaningful capabilities to our customers, and all of these are going to be available through this ADEM-AIOPS capability. So at every stage, you would have seen that there is a lot of innovation that our customers will experience. In the case where we have the GA, of course, everything is net new, but otherwise also there are new features that customers will benefit from. Now, this is a summarization of all the enhancements in base visibility or insights that customers are going to see. So first among these is RBAC implementation. And we, as you might recall, that we didn't quite have support for RBAC for incidents so far. And here now we are going to be able to do, we are supporting all the roles that are supported on the hub for all other applications. So all these, the role-based views and the license-based views are going to be supported for RBAC. Additionally, as I talked about, there is going to be, we are indicating a new SASE health dashboard, which is a global map of users and sites. The applications view and the threat views per app and per users are net new capabilities. For sites, we are enhancing their we are going to be showing the bandwidth consumption view, and we're introducing the a 30-day view of the 95th percentile utilization that a lot of customers use as a capacity for their capacity calculation, their capacity needs. So these are all net new features. The tunnel details page is new as well, where we show on a tunnel detail basis what is the bandwidth consumption. We are introducing BGP status for branch and service connections for all the routing decisions that are required at the branch router, as well as on the branched or the data center device that our customers have for routing decisions from there to applications or to Prisma Access. In the subscription usage page, we are going to indicate where the bandwidth has exceeded in the per site and the aggregate bandwidth models. We'll also show the service connection utilization, all net new capabilities. A new alert that we are introducing is something that we used to have earlier, but we have reworked the logic for this, and we are now going to support it. And this is the new egress IP availability upon auto-scaling. And finally, in the new incident framework, we are providing the ServiceNow integration at the base visibility itself to all customers. Additionally, the new capability that we are introducing is something we are calling the PA service degradation incident. And this is when we note that this is an issue on the Prisma Access side. And if that hasn't been fixed by our auto remediation capabilities on the platform, before customers tell us that they think that their location or some service SPN is down, we will let them know about the service degradation, as well as let them know that we are working on it. So these are all the enhancements in base visibility that bring in a lot of the capabilities that our customers have asked us for a long time, and this gives us a perfect time to introduce these. So I think that I saw a question, perhaps it's already been answered. And let me see, can we get slides? Yes, of course, you will have slides. So hoping this explains everything that we are doing. So with that, let me just focus a little bit on what is really changing at the that our current customers will see from the existing Prisma Access Insights products. So what they are going to see is a migration of existing capabilities. This is the Insights. When you double click on the Insights icon indicated by the light bulb here, this is the second level menu that they see. So clearly, we are moving away from just an Insight-specific mobile user page, an ADEM-specific mobile user page. When I was talking about the Prisma Access upgrade, we really rely on our customers to indicate their location and time slot for us to do their data plane upgrades. And this Prisma Access upgrade was under Insights. It is now moving to this left nav called Workflows under the Prisma Access upgrade page. Workflows is the left nav for essentially the type of tasks that require infrequent input from customers, and we will, and the Prisma Access upgrade by its very nature is not a repetitive task, and we would like customers to go there. Moving to the next page, I just wanted to walk you guys through some base visibility views. If you look here, this is basically the global summary dashboard. It's got both a mobile users. If you click on this page, if you see that, Kunam, if you can just click on this, next, you'll see that what it is, we show you what degraded user experience is for these users that was indicated in red previously. Similarly, in the current sites, you also see if you click again, you will see that what we present is the degraded site experience in terms of if there are any issues with the third-party site connector. It could be a WAN router box that has some issues, or it is a Prisma Access infra issue, or something with the service connection in the data center. We indicate that in red. If there are incidents against them, the indicator for incidents will take you to the incidents page with the details of it. Moving forward, in the next slide, you will see what the application visibility in the base product looks like. This is, again, completely net new capabilities. We show you the applications discovered by Prisma Access. And if you just click going forward, you see that this is completely new. We are showing the app usage and threats based on real user traffic. We get these from the traffic logs. And this capability really helps our customers understand what is their user base reaching out to, which apps, and what type of threats are logged against these apps. In the next slide, you will see the user visibility enhanced in the base product if you click again, you see that this is the threat data is shown in context of the user. So this is a per user type of threat information, which is we didn't have before. It was all available in activity, but we are now within the same app bringing forth these insights. Moving forward, you will see that there is also a threat specific page, which has all the details for this user's activity based, and we show what type of URLs they visited, whether these URLs had certain issues. So obviously our Prisma Access is protecting customers from these, but we show the details right here. In the next page, you will see the site visibility enhancements that we are providing. If you click again, you see that this is now, you see the on a site detail page. If you click on the site detail page, you get the tunnel details. Clicking on the tunnel, it brings you to this page, which is a tunnel view. Clicking again, you will go back. If you have a Prisma SD-WAN site, clicking once again, it will take you forward to the Prisma SD-WAN page. Please click on the, and it will show you if that same site has a Prisma SD-WAN view. We can show you the branch view, as well as in the previous view, we showed you the Prisma Access view for the same branch. So no longer do you need to exit from your current view to see one side, the Prisma Access view, the other side for the same branch, the branch facing view. We are bringing it all together in one place. Clicking again to the next view. Similarly, in the data center, we are showing you service connections. Click once more. It shows you the Prisma. It takes you to the details of the site view for the service connection. Clicking once again, it brings you back to this SD page. Clicking once again, it'll take you to the Prisma SD-WAN view if you have Prisma SD-WAN data center. And finally, clicking once again, it takes you to the, you can go to the CTNA tab and go through the connector groups and connectors that are made available for you to see how your application targets are being accessed. So this is the HQ connectivity through all these different mechanisms. So therefore, all of these are bundled under the data center. Clicking once more, I know we have 4 minutes, so I will give you a quick overview of the next page, which has the incident framework. So what you will see is that with the launch of this product, our priority alerts will continue to be available for consumption for 180 days or 6 months from the time that we launch this product to our customers. So they will continue to have the priority alerts. Their severity levels will be changed automatically from high, medium, low to the mapping of critical, warning, and informational. And we are doing this just to bring together this uniformity between how the next-gen firewall incidents are being expressed, as well as what Prisma SASE is going to do. So we have moved from high, medium, low to this more critical, warning, informational type of levels. Although the alerts will continue to be available for 6 months, we would like our customers to still to start consuming incidents eventually, because we are bringing in many benefits that have been requested over time by customers, and such as the availability of customization of incident conditions. They want to perhaps change the severity levels. They want to have different notification methods. For instance, we are introducing ServiceNow integration, which will be available through incidents. So all of these are going to be available in the new framework. So we would like our customers to eventually start consuming incidents, but at launch of the product, there will be no disruption to their experience. Please go back to the previous page. I will continue to indicate what are all the changes that are coming with this incident framework. At release, they will get also incidents now. They will continue to get their priority alerts and informational alerts, but they will start seeing incidents as well in the UI, and they can cut over to incidents from alerts. For most users who don't have the AIOPS license queue, they will see a one-to-one correspondence between alerts and incidents, which will get auto-populated. And within incidents, as I indicated, they will see the ServiceNow workflow configuration option. Now, incidents are going to be categorized as customer incidents and PA infra incidents, or the service degradation incidents. And the PA infra issues in this first release are going to indicate the gateway compute location being down, an RN being down, or an SC being down. These incidents are expressed in terms of observed impact at branches with critical warning incidents at DC sites and PA locations. So this is in a nutshell all the changes that are coming into Prisma Access through the new incident framework. And hopefully this gives you a fair understanding of the incident framework, as well as all the changes that are coming in with this new unification. Over to you guys, Sharam and Azadeh, for wrapping up this call.